If the air conditioning or blower fan in your 2009 to 2014 Ford E-Series van stopped working, don't rush to replace the compressor or blower motor yet. Check these 5 components in the power distribution box first. Pop your hood and open the main electrical center on the driver's side. First, locate fuse 13. This is a 40-amp fuse that delivers main power to your front blower motor. If your front vents have zero airflow on any fan speed, check this fuse first. Next, right in that same box, check relay R3. This is your front blower motor relay. If fuse 13 is good, but the fan still won't turn on, a bad R3 relay is usually why. Now, if your van has rear climate control and the back vents aren't blowing any air, check fuse 6. This is a 50-amp fuse that powers your rear auxiliary AC blower. If your fan blows air just fine, but it won't get cold, move down to fuse 38. This 10-amp fuse supplies power to your AC compressor clutch. Finally, check relay R16. This relay triggers the compressor clutch to engage and spin. If fuse 38 is intact, but the compressor won't click on, swap relay R16 with an identical non-essential relay, like your backup lamp relay or trailer relay. If cold air starts blasting, you just solved the problem.